Hello, welcome to Computer Education for All. Today's topic, we will learn about memory, built-up and retention power. What is chip memory? About magnetic memory? What is magnetic disk? Brief introduction about optical memory technology. What is main memory in computer science? What is ROM, read-only memory? And what is RAM, random access memory? Cache memory? Difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. Let's start from memory built up and retention power. All types of computer memory, as far as their built-up or manufacturing is concerned, are divided into chip memory, magnetic memory, and optical memory. And as far as their retention power is concerned, these memories are divided into volatile memory and non-volatile memory. Chip memory. A chip is a small piece of semiconducting material, usually silicon. A small circuit called IC integrated circuit is embedded on it. A typical chip contains millions of electronic components, transistors. Chip memories are better in speed compared to other memory types due to the absence of mechanical moving parts. Unlike traditional forms of memory, chip memories rely on electric currents for their operation. This reliance on electrical processes contributes to their rapid data access and retrieval capabilities. Examples of chip memory are main memory, RAM, ROM, and cache, flash memory drives, memory cards, registers, and solid-state drives. SDs, many special-purpose chips, known as application-specific integrated circuits, are also being made today for automobiles, home appliances, telephones, and other devices. Different types of chip memory devices are shown in Fig. 1.38. Magnetic memory. One of the most widely used types of digital data storage is magnetic memory/storage. This refers to any type of data storage using a magnetized medium. Magnetic tapes and disks are examples of magnetic memory devices. A thin layer of magnetic material is coated on the magnetic disk read/write head. Surface of magnetic tape and magnetic disks. Binary information is stored in the form of tiny magnetized and non-magnetized spots on the surface of magnetic tape or disk. A magnetized spot represents a binary 1 and a non-magnetized spot a binary 0. A read-write head moves very close to the magnetic surface. The head is able to detect and modify the magnetization of the material. Magnetic storage is widely used because it is relatively cheap in comparison with other storage technologies. The storage capacity is also very large, making it attractive for storing very large amounts of data. The major limitation of magnetic storage is that accessing the data can be quite slow. Hard disk is the common example of magnetic memory as shown in Fig. 1.39. Do you know? In September 1956, IBM launched the 305 RAM AC, the first UPER computer with a hard disk drive, HDD. The HDD weighed over a ton and stored 5 MB of data. Optical memory. In optical storage technology, a laser beam encodes digital data onto an optical disc in the form of tiny pits and lands arranged in concentric tracks on the disc surface as shown in Fig. 1.40. A low-power laser scanner is used to read data or information from these pits and lands and converts it to digital form. Optical storage provides cheaper and greater memory capacity than magnetic storage. An entire set of encyclopedias, for example, can be stored on a standard 12-centimeter, 4.72-inch optical disc. Optical discs include CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Main memory. Main memory stores data and programs that are being executed by the computer. It also stores the results produced by the ALU after processing the data. There are 3 types of main memories on the motherboard, which are ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory, and cache. These are known as main memory or primary memory of computer. ROM, read-only memory. ROM is a single IC chip which is installed on the motherboard as shown in Fig. 1.41. It stores the basic input/output system BIOS of computer that controls input/output devices and the startup or boot process BIOS programs. Test the computer's components when it is turned on and then load the operating system into the RAM to make the computer ready for operation. BIOS programs are permanently stored in ROM when it is manufactured. It is non-volatile memory, that is, the programs stored in it are not lost when the computer is turned off. There are 3 common types of ROM, which are PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, erasable programmable ROM, and EEPR, electronically erasable programmable ROM. RAM, random access memory. RAM is high-speed memory installed on the motherboard. It is read and write memory. Information can be read from or written into it. Programs are loaded into RAM from secondary storage devices such as hard disk or USB flash drive for execution by the microprocessor. It is volatile memory, which means information stored in it is lost when the computer is turned off. RAM modules are installed in the memory slots on the motherboard. RAM modules are shown in Fig. 1.42. Cache memory. Cache is a very small amount of extremely fast memory inside the microprocessor or on the motherboard. It is faster and more expensive than RAM. It stores information that is most frequently used by the computer. The purpose of using cache is to improve the processing speed of computer. There are 3 types of cache memories, which are Level 1, Lone, Level 2, L2, and Level 3, as shown in Fig. 1.43. L1 cache is built inside the microprocessor, whereas L2 and L3 are on the motherboard. L1 cache is faster than L2 and L3 cache. Volatile and non-volatile memory. Memory on the divided into 2 types, volatile and non-volatile memory. Volatile memory. Volatile memory is a temporary memory that requires power, electricity, to maintain the stored information. Volatile memory retains the information as long as power supply is on, but when power supply is off or interrupted, the stored memory is lost. It is also known as temporary memory. Examples of such memory are RAM, random access memory, cache memory, and registers. Non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory is a permanent memory that can retain the stored information even when powered off. Examples of non-volatile memory include ROM read-only memory, flash memory, magnetic storage devices, for example, hard disks and magnetic taps, optical disks, and Blu-ray discs. Non-volatile memory is typically used as secondary storage for long-term or future use. For more interesting tutorials, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks.